chiropractic adjustment is basically releasing the stickiness within the joints. So as we move and bend, sometimes these joints can become stuck, which causes inflammation around the nerves. What a chiropractor does is we feel these joints individually to see how they're moving. If they're stuck, what the chiropractic adjustment does is unsticks these joints and allows them to move in their natural motion. So if you are looking to improve your health and well-being, give us a call at 801-546-0114 or look us up online at www.fordfamchiro.com.